In this video, I'm going to share with you one of the best ways to make money as a kid. What's up? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this quick video, I'm going to answer a question I see a lot of people ask. What is a way that kids can make money, right? Now, to be honest with you, there are a lot of ways that kids nowadays can make money legally. But in my opinion, just first thing that comes to my head, if you're watching this and you're a kid, you're already on the right track, right? If you're watching this on YouTube, I'm gonna tell you YouTube, right? If I'm a kid, right? If I was, back when I was, 11, 12, 13, 14 years old, I'd be on YouTube. Quit. Oh man. I'd probably be a millionaire by the time I was 21. Because the opportunity is there for kids, and YouTube can be fun for kids. Because usually when you think about making money, right, you associate like hard work, or like, oh, I'm gonna sell lemonade on the corner, or I'm gonna get a paper route, right, or I'm gonna cut grass, right. That's the traditional ways that kids can make money, right, which you still can do as a kid if you want, right. You still could do that, and you still could do YouTube, right. But YouTube allows kids the opportunity to build a nice little income as a young person. And not only that, it can be passive to the point where they could be making money, years after, even if they decide to stop, doing YouTube, right? So you might just be doing it as a kid for a couple years. Your content that you create now as a kid can actually make you money for years and years on. You know what I'm saying? So that's something definitely you want to get into now. You might be thinking, well, how can I get paid? I'm like a kid with YouTube, right? Now let's be real. You got some sort of authority over you, right? Somebody has, what's the word I'm looking for? Parental guidance over you, right? So assuming if you got a parent, it's all good, because you can get your channel approved through Google AdSense, and you can get paid from the ads on your videos that I'm sure you're used to seeing, right? Just have it in your parents' name. Have your mom, have your dad, you know what I'm saying, have a Google account. And y'all work that out, you know what I'm saying? I mean, 12, 13, somebody got to manage your money, right? But you can actually make the money. You can be the money maker, right? If you have, maybe you stay with maybe you stay with your uncle, maybe they're your parental guardian or anything like that, your aunt, your uncle, whatever, there should be somebody in your life that can create a Google AdSense account for you. Not only can you do that, yes, as a kid, because kids are smart these days, why not have your same guardian or parental whatever authority sign up for some affiliate programs, just like I tell adults to do. You can actually earn commissions from tons and tons of different programs out there. Obviously, a lot of them you do have to be 18 or older to actually get paid, but that's where your parents come into play. That's where your mama, your daddy, your cousin, your whoever, that's where they come into play, right? Or your older brother or sister can hook you up. You know what I'm saying? It's all good. But you could do that and have all kinds of money coming in, even as an 11, 12, 13-year-old kid. You could be balling, all right? So the key is, guys, just to get started and really start with your passion as a kid. I know a lot of kids, play games, video games, and it don't even gotta be video games. Maybe you play something else offline or whatever. You can start with that. Or if you got any sort of talent, if you can draw as a kid, start a drawing channel, right? Even if you exercise as a young kid, you can create content based around exercise and fitness, and staying healthy as a young adult. I say young adult, a young kid, you can do videos on that. If you a tech, right, if you real smart and you know about computers, don't matter, right? You can start making money from YouTube just like adults can, right? You can do it, and you can make some serious money, right? So in my opinion, this is one of the best ways that you can start making money as a kid. All right. So hopefully this video helped you out. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.
If you're not living your life like a boss, then click the link above or below this video and find out why you should definitely have your own home business and how easy it is to start one. See you on the other side.